Alright, just wrapping up this job out on Mill Pond, and this is what the forest kind of down this embankment used to look like. And after, I think we're about 2.5 days now, we took about, I don't know, 15 trees out. You know, worked through all the points, make sure we're abiding by shoreline zoning laws, and then we opened up a really nice window. Pruning, probably pruned about 40 trees, 50. Client wanted a nice view of the water, so, you know, we tried to artistically incorporate a lot of branches to make it look as good as possible. You can see the slope here, it's just incredibly steep. That's where the skidder comes in nice. We're just wrapping up now, and luckily we had some ice to help us, so take a quick look right here. Yep. Super fun snaring everything out of this. But it looks good.